I would say that Terre di Cinema is a place of collaboration, creativity, and love.
So, what are you doing at Terre di Cinema and where are you from?
Director reporter, I'm 19 and I come from Siracusa.
So, you are an internee.
Yes.
So, 3 words about Terre di Cinema for you.
Creative, enjoyable and friendly.
Very nice. Devo dire anche in italiano?
Creatività, amicizia e gioia.
Grazie a te.
Grazie.
Okay, 3 words. Magical. Just a really rewarding and unique experience. 3 words.
Thank you so much.
But yeah.
I'm Julian. I'm from Austria and I'm a cinematographer.
What did you do at Terre di Cinema?
I DP'd The Last Cigarette with Razan.
3 words for Terre di Cinema, Julian.
Very international, challenging, and a lot of fun.
Too many things.
Thank you so much. Thank you. On to the next.
3 words for Terre di Cinema. It's passion and values and friendship.
My name's Mecca. Just came from a 12-hour set, which is why I look like a mess. 3.5 rows of exposed 5207. It was a good day.
And the last day of Terre di Cinema.
And the last day of TDC 24.
And you were the cinematographer. Tell me TDC in 3 words. 3 words for Terre di Cinema.
Excited, exhilarated, and exhausted.
Yeah, hi, I'm Alessio Presciantelli. I'm from Molise and I'm an intern here in Terre di Cinema. It's a really great place to stay and the people here have too much love, too much passion for this job, and this is the job I want to do in my life. So yeah, that's.
Tell us Terre di Cinema in 3 words. 3 words for
3
Terre di Cinema.
words? Okay, just passion. Yeah, busy because it's so busy, but I think the most important word is fun. It's really fun.
Thank you, Alessio. Thank you.
3 words for Terre di Cinema. I would say intense, activating, and full on. That's 2 words though.
Community, love, film.
Thank you so much, Elio. Excellent job, as always. Thank you.
Commitment, Vongole, and mannequin.
Thank you so much. All the best.
Thank you.
So wrap for Terre di Cinema 2024.
Hello, I'm Camilla Dazzi. I'm part of the cinematographers of Terre di Cinema. 3 words to describe Terre di Cinema are probably sweat, punk, and a lot of fun. Thank you.
So much.
Thank you.
I am Ashana. I'm from Iran. And if I want to explain Terre di Cinema in 3 words, I would say fun, joyful experience on film. 4 words.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's been a pleasure. 3 words to describe your experience at Terre di Cinema.
Okay, I would say amazing. I would say fun-filled, and I would say keep thinking about strong. Yeah. Strong.
Thank you so much, Chris. It's been a pleasure to have you here.
Yeah.
Whoa. Whoa. Hi, Chris.
Hi, I'm Christian Salerno. I'm of the production team of TDC. I'm from Catania. and I think TDC is a very important campus for the analog film.
So, 3 words for Terre di Cinema, in your opinion.
TDC is passion, is filmmaking, and also it's hard work.
Thank you very much, Chris. Thank you for your hard work.
Thank you.
And your passion.
Thank
and
you.
your creativity. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Raphael. I'm from Germany. I was at Terre di Cinema as a camera operator and also worked as a first assistant and had a great time shooting some real 35mm film. Intense, getting out of your comfort zone, and very fun. Lots of fun.
Thank you so much, Ralph. Hi, Gianluca.
Hi.
You're one of the directors of TDC 24. Can you tell us Terre di Cinema in 3 words, according to your experience?
Wild. Passion. Arancino.
Tell me 3 words for Terre di Cinema, please.
Fun on film.
I love it. Well, thank you so much, Greg. It's been a pleasure to have you with us this year.
Thank you. It's been a wonderful experience and journey.
3 words, Terre di Cinema in 3 words.
So, teaching is learning.
That's very nice. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you. Danke.
Hi, I'm Federica Malpasso. I am an internee at Terre di Cinema and I'm from Syracuse.
And how old are you?
I am 25.
Okay. You were in directing department?
Yeah, I was in directing department and I helped my 3 directors.
Amazing. Can you tell us 3 words about Terre di Cinema, in your opinion?
Oh my gosh. Okay, first one, outstanding. Second one, exciting. Third one, enlightening.
Thank you so much.
Thank you to you.
It was a pleasure to have you with us.
Me too.
I think this is better lighting. So, my 3 words to describe Terre di Cinema are inspiration, connection, and transformation. I miss you all so very much. Sending y'all a big hug.
Passion, perseverance, and learn.
My name is Omer, I come from Tel Aviv, and I had a really good time here. I want to thank you, Vincenzo, and all of the crew.
Well, thank you, Omer. It's been a pleasure to have you here.
Thank you so much. It was a great experience, and I really appreciate it.
It was a pleasure to have you here, really. Can you tell us 3 words about Terre di Cinema?
Punk, rock and roll, and amazing.
Daniele Sciacca, our unsung hero, sound legend of Terre di Cinema.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you to you, Vincenzo.
I want to ask you something.
Tell me.
You're also from Catania, right?
Yeah?
So we're all from Catania.
Yes.
And that's fun. And 3 words to describe Terre di Cinema. You've been taking care of the sound for many years.
It's intense and it's about creativity and work all together. This is Terre di Cinema.
Thank you, Daniele. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Vincenzo.
Hi, Ludovica.
Hi.
You're from?
Siracusa.
And you are internee at Terre di Cinema, right?
Yeah.
Which department?
Production.
All right. Can you tell us 3 words to describe your experience at Terre di Cinema?
Amazing and really funny, and also family.
Oh, beautiful. Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure to have you with us. Ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
TDC in 3 words would be collaborating, bonding, and adapting.
3 words for Terre di Cinema. Whatever you want to say.
I am happy.
Oh, thank you so much. It's been a pleasure. Can you tell me 3 words about Terre di Cinema?
Fun, exciting,
scary sometimes.
Like this movie.
Yes, yes. Unexpected, I would say, not scary.
Well, thank you so much, Isolette. It's been a pleasure.
I'm Cristina Cosma, I'm 20 years old and I'm from Syracuse. I'm here in Terre di Cinema because I love cinema and I want to make an experience of this world, this beautiful world. Parole, Terre di Cinema è un'esperienza indimenticabile.
Thank you so much.
I want to tell you my three words to describe my experience at TDC. One of them was collaboration. You know, we were able to collaborate with people from around the world with our, with like-minded interests, and it was, very, very cool. Working with all these people. And my second word is relationships, where I was able to form, what I hopefully would be like lifelong collaborations and relationships with people. Maybe we can all work together in the future. And my third word is filmmaking. This program is unique where it allows me to collaborate with other people and to make a 35mm short. And filmmaking, I was able to enhance my filmmaking skills. And thank you to Ari and thank you to Kodak for support.
Ciao, here's my 3 words to describe TDC. First word is punk, but since I was the first to use it, I will go deeper into that later. Second word is focus rather than obsession. TDC only lasts 2 weeks, so you gotta stay focused on what you do, but you also gotta stay awake and understand what's going on around you. That's why I don't like obsession. Obsession sounds to me like a lie someone told just to justify the thing that they were only interested in their work and what they did and not in the others, and I don't like it. Third word is friendship rather than network. Leave the network to LinkedIn. That's not what we do at TDC. We build friendships, and at the very end of the day, that's the most valuable thing that you bring back home with you. Friends, new friends from all over the world. So here's 3 punk records to describe TDC. First one is Rock for Light by Bad Brains, because they came like something completely unexpected and they were a mix of genres that nobody saw coming at that age. And that's what you have to expect from TDC, the unexpected. Second one is Warehouse, Songs and Stories by the Husker Du, because it was meant to be a fiasco. Bob Mould and Grant Hart, they didn't even talk to each other, but it ended up being a masterpiece. So even when the situation seems not so good, you can make something very good out of it. And I think this is a lesson that TDC tells you. Third record is Repeater plus 3 songs by Fugazi, because I think it's the most incredible record where you can both feel the revolutionary feeling and the rationality feeling. So those 2 souls, they coexist, and that's what you gotta do at TDC.
Hello from Berlin, this is Bella, and my 3 words for Terre di Cinema are madness, connection, and bellissimo.
Terre di Cinema,
3 words.
3 words. Passion, perseverance, and friendship.
Thank you, Andrea.
Thank you.
3 words for Terre di Cinema. Swimming, friendship, and film, of course. I already missed it.
Can you tell me 3 words about Terre di Cinema that comes to your mind?
What a stressful question suddenly.
Take your time.
3 words. I think it's very interesting. It's also eye-opening, and we get to see how the world works.
That's fantastic. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Maisha Rahman, and I'm a director based out of Toronto. If I were to describe Terre di Cinema in 3 words, that would be hope, collaboration, and intellectual stimulation. We stayed in Ortigia for about 2 weeks, made the city completely our own, made friends, made local friends, a lot of cats, but in general, the experience of learning and shooting on film was just such a good experience, and it was very crucial for a filmmaker's growth. So I'm very, very grateful to Vincenzo and the whole team of Terre di Cinema for making this such a beautiful experience that we're going to remember forever. Thank you, guys.
Can you tell us 3 words for Terre di Cinema?
Well, it was punk and fun, and well, overall it was great. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank
It's
you.
been a pleasure to have you with us.
Oh, it was my pleasure too. Bye. Ciao.
Ciao. Salvatore, column of all camera crews, busy in every shoot.
Almost.
3 words for Terre di Cinema, Salvatore?
Big opportunity as a cinematographer, definitely. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much and good luck.
Yeah, thank you.
Hello.
Hello, I'm Simona. I'm an intern in Terre di Cinema.
So, can you tell me Terre di Cinema in 3 words according to you?
Challenging, wonderful, and a little bit stressful. Bye.
Ciao.
3 words to describe Terre di Cinema could be magnetic, chaotic, and deeply stimulating. Trust me.
Ciao. Wow, that's TDC after hours.
Yes.
Can you tell me 3 words for Terre di Cinema?
Inspiring, fun, and diverse.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Margherita and I'm from Rome, and my 3 words to describe Terre di Cinema are friendship, passion, and good movies.
Hi Grace.
Hi.
Can you tell me 3 words for Terre di Cinema?
Just don't die.
Tell me 3 words about Terre di Cinema, Giorgio.
I'd say sun, sea, and rain.
Okay. Thank you. It's been a pleasure.
It's been a pleasure.
Hi Tim.
Hi, how you doing?
Just tell me 3 words about Terre di Cinema.
3 words. Innovative, collaborative, and creative.
Thank you very much, Tim.
No, thank you.
It's been a great pleasure.
No, it's been great. I've loved every minute of it.
Thank you so much.
Cristaudo. 3 words for Terre di Cinema is punk, love, and punch.
Very nice. Thank you, Alessio. You were internee in production.
Yes, assistant of production.
Thank you for your great job.
Thank you.
Bye. Hi,
Ciao.
Adam.
Ciao, Vincenzo.
So, this is the end of Terre di Cinema.
End of Terre di Cinema. We had great master classes. The weather was hot, but we finally got to shooting and the magic of film. It's always stressful, but invigorating, and the magic's all in here.
Beautiful. 3 words for Terre di Cinema, Adam.
Unexpected, serendipitous, and a pleasure.
Thank you so much. The pleasure has been ours to have you with us. Thank you so much, Adam.
Sure, so I'm Dominika Sankowska and I was a lead actress in one of the short movies at Terre di Cinema. So 3 words to describe this beautiful project. I would say creativity, community, and inspiration. Thank you so much for having me there.
Thank you. It's been great to have you with us.
My name is Lyudmila. I came from Russia. I really enjoyed Terre di Cinema this year because I think the greatest thing about Terre di Cinema that you guys are making a real diversity, and I really appreciate it. It was one of the most amazing times during my whole life. Thank you so much. I really enjoyed it.
And we really enjoyed having you with us. But tell me 3 words for Terre di Cinema.
Passion, love, and sorry, passion, love, and maybe friendship. Yeah, I think it's great.
Beautiful. Thank you so much. Good luck.